Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you LIGE Smart Watch for man with a 1.39 inches screen. And really cool looking military smartwatch comes here with SpO2 sensor, sleep monitor, step counter. This is a fitness watch, a 24/7 heart rate monitoring system, a tactical fitness watch with over 100 possible sports modes and a lot of faces. We make and answer calls with that smartwatch here, and it comes with a leather band. Ooh, and of course, there's a silicone band included too. We keeping the track of our health has never been easier than with the LIGE smartwatch because it is equipped with a full body data tracking function such as the heart rate, the blood pressure, and blood oxygen detection. Data, of course, are only for reference only. It is also automatically monitors our sleep status and understands our wakefulness, and the light sleep and the deep sleep phase. And all this comes in data information on the watch face and in the app. If we are a fitness enthusiast, the LIGE Sport Watch is our perfect training partner. With 111 sports modes covering activities such as walking, running, cycling, soccer, climbing, and so much more. It records important daily data such as step taken, distance covered, and calorie burned. The watch is designed with a large capacity, a low power consumption battery that fully charges in just 2 hours and lasts for 3 up to 7 days on a single charge. The LIGE Fitness Watch has a stainless steel band if you choose the silver version or the black version. In this brown version, it comes with a leather band and a silicone band, okay? This meets our individual needs. Whenever we are dressing up for a formal occasion or a casual outing, we can easily switch between the two straps because it's tool-free to replace this. It is water resistant up to IP67, thus making it perfect for rainy days too, while we work out outdoor. We stay connected wherever we go with multiple app messages alerts, including Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and we take advantage of the Bluetooth call function that lets us answer calls, and this hands-free. Really cool. Over 200 watch faces are available with the Fit Cloud app, which we need to pair this each other, FITCLOUDPRO. This is the app which you can download from the App Store or the Google Play Store. We have a Dial Mac Blaze app. We have access to over 200 watch dials to choose from to personalize the device. Easy peasy. And it's an all-in-one device. Additionally, this smartwatch comes with multiple features such as an alert, clock, stopwatch, remote control of the camera of our smartphone, sedentary reminder, calculator, music control, weather forecast, and so on. This making it ideal and all-in-one device for our activity lifestyle. And it looks really cool because LIGE makes a good quality in this price range. LIGE is a brand that redefines time, precision style, and innovative combinations. Each smartwatch reflects the personality and ambition of the wearer. Fashion and technology seamlessly combined. LIGE offers sophisticated and charm at the same time. This become part of the LIGE family and experience the perfect fusion of elegance and functionality. I think LIGE makes one of the best watches in this price range because there comes state-of-the-art stuff. It comes with good sensors, it comes with a good wear comfort and a good design. LIGE is renowned watch company with over 10 years of experience in the watch industry. The brand is dedicated to offer a stylish and high-quality watches that stand out from the competition. They design, produce, and distribute various types of watches, including the Smartwatch series, ultra-thin series, and classic series, which cater to the different needs and preferences of the customers. They pride ourselves on the extensive experience, which enables them to deliver watches of exceptional quality. That means the customers as exceptions. The team of trained professionals ensures that every watch they produce meets the required standards and specifications. At LIGE, they value the customers and their satisfaction is the top priority. Therefore, they strive to deliver the best watch design that meet their needs and exceptions. The watches are not only timepieces, but also fashion accessories that suit different style and, of course, the occasion. We can make Bluetooth calls, dial and answer, voice assistant, contact management, call records, notifications, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Line, Kakao Talk, Skype, WhatsApp, and so on. We make and answer calls directly from the smartwatch via Bluetooth. It supports saving calls with up to 8 contacts. It's compatible with Android 4.4 and above, and iOS 8 and above. The Bluetooth call function can be deactivated if we do not need it, of course. Notifications can be received via vibration information. And the smartwatch supports incoming call notifications, the ability to make and reject calls when connected to our phone, as well as displaying notifications from popular apps such as Line, YouTube, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Gmail, and more. It is not possible to reply to the messages via this watch, but this is a function for an upper class of price range in smartwatches. Here it is possible to see the notifications, but you can make and call. You can make and answer calls. We never miss, because of this, a call or a message with that smartwatch. 111 exercise modes to customize our wild workout. The military watch has more than over 100 sports modes, with a lot of possibilities like walking, running, cycling, basketball, soccer, and so on. This allowing us to track our progress, performance in a variety of activities. Sophisticated sensors and algorithms provide accurate and detailed data on various aspects for each sport, such as the heart rate, the calorie burned, and of course the distance which we have traveled. The sports tracking features of the smartwatch make it a powerful tool for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to stay active and healthy. With this military and customizable design, the smartwatch is not only a functional sports tracker, it's a fashion accessory too, that we can wear with pride and confidence. We have here an all-in-one smartwatch. In addition to the health and fitness function, this smartwatch is an all-in-one device with a wide range of functions. It includes a big bunch of possibilities, and it's really easy to pair. We use the app to pair this with our smartwatch, and after this pairing thread, we can customize our watch faces, for example. And of course, we can see what our health status is beyond the app, for example. We can make a remote measurement with that possibility, and so on. If we use this smartwatch, it can use alone, of course. But if we like to use the notifications and the phone function, we have the smartwatch nearby at the clock. But this is a standard way because this watch comes with not a SIM card or something else. This is the LIGE Smartwatch for man with a 1.39 inches military device with SpO2, sleep monitor, step counter, 24/7 heart rate. It's a tactical fitness watch with over 100 sports modes available. We can make and answer calls, and it comes with a leather band. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.